Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about RAM. RAM is called random access memory. It's like the place in the computer where the programs and data that the computer is currently using is stored. Since RAM is much faster to read from and write than the hard drive and other forms of storage, the processor is going to request the RAM's contents, which can be located, opened, and delivered to CPU for processing in a few nanoseconds. Now, if you look at a motherboard, you'll see RAM as a series of small cards plugged into slots on the motherboard, as seen from the image below. So, RAM is actually considered volatile storage, which means that it only maintains its data while the device is powered on. So when the device turns off, all that RAM and data is gone. Examples of volatile storage is like running software. They take data from your RAM, but when you turn off the computer, all that data is erased along with the software being closed. Now when you lack RAM, your computer starts to slow down. That's because when there is not enough RAM, you take it from your hard drive. But your hard drive is a lot slower. So when you lack RAM, your computer's gonna start running slow. It's gonna start lagging. Like, you're gonna be like this guy right here.
I'm blue, I've been deed, I've been died, 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 I've been deed, I've been died.
Now, as seen from the video, it becomes clear why RAM is extremely important. You don't want to lag. Now, let's see how much it costs to install RAM. I'm gonna go through Amazon. I'm gonna search up RAM. I see the Amazon's choice. That seems like a good choice. Alright, that's pretty good. 16, right? Good specs. Wait, hold on. What is this? $70? $70? $70 my ass, man. $70? What the fudge? Alright, I'm gonna show you how to install RAM. Alright, you see that clip over there, right? Yeah, that clip over there. If you unlock it by pushing it, it releases the RAM stick. So now you could try pull it out. I'm having a lot of difficulty because I'm holding the camera, but here it is. It's taking a long time to focus for some reason though. Give it some time. Oh man, look at that shininess. Oh yeah. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna try to pull it back in now. That's how you put back a RAM. Alright, you know how you push that thing open, right? Whenever that thing's open, it gives space for the RAM to go in. And there's only one end for this motherboard. Usually there's two, but there's only one. Ooh, there's a lot of dust. Alright, it's getting really freaking hard putting it in. Hold on. Sorry for the weird angle. It's really difficult for me to do this because I'm holding the camera. And I'm also just like, I can't really see. Alright, I think it went in. Oh, hold on. Great. Alright, make sure you put it in like completely horizontally, because if it sticks on one end, it's usually gonna not. It's just not gonna fit in. Alright, I think I did. Alright, make sure to push it in so you hear a click. Yeah, you see that click over there? That's when you fully insert it in. Alright, that's how you install RAM. Now that we installed RAM, if you want to check if it's installed correctly, you just go into Windows bar, the startup bar, go settings, is that icon right there, and then type in RAM in the search bar. You see how we typed it in? Now something will come up, press on it, and then scroll down, and you'll see my RAM. It's right there, 16 gigabytes. By the way, each stick was it was 8 gigabytes each, so there was 2 of them, so 16. Well, so after watching me install the RAM, it's easy to tell why, like, when your computer starts to slow down, you shouldn't just buy a new computer. You should just check if it's your RAM, because you could easily just buy a RAM and install it or remove it whenever you want. Now, it's important to say that every RAM isn't compatible with like newer generation computers. Let's say like an old RAM from like 1980s, you probably can't use that. Like the RAM on the left image, that's most likely obsolete. Like, it's just trash. While on the right, that's a good So remember guys, replacing RAM is important. Knowing about RAM is important. So the video comes to a conclusion, and I would like to thank all my video providers, and I would like to thank the audience for watching. You know, always hit a like or subscribe. It really helps me out. You know, I really want money.
I love money. I should give me money now.